Today's video is brought to you in part by WildGrain. Welcome to Dollar Tree. Today I'm sharing with you real Anthropologie dupes right in store. You can get for $1.25. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.
I'm helping you save big, and you're gonna come straight to the cleaning aisle. Check this out. This is Dollar Tree's Bermuda Blue Citrus. They have an entire line of this, and it is a dupe of Anthropologie's Capri Blue Volcano. If you've ever smelled this scent at Anthropologie, it is completely viral, and I'm gonna tell you my favorite ones to buy.
Anthropologie's room spray retails for $30, and my favorite product in this line is the Bermuda Blue Citrus room spray.
This is rated 4.7 stars on Dollar Tree's website for a reason. And they have the Bermuda Blue air fresheners, and this is compatible with Air Wick air fresheners. These two are not to be missed.
This is one of the only room sprays I would recommend buying from Dollar Tree. It is awesome, and I love that it's an Anthropologie dupe. Anthropologie's reed diffusers are also $30, which is why the plugins are so great. This smells like Blue Capri Volcano. It lasts for about a week. I like to put mine on the lowest setting. It works in most rooms. I highly recommend. There's scent beads and dryer sheets, also absorbing gels, but I think the room spray and the plugins are my favorite. For my laundry, I'd be more likely to buy this Brazilian Sol Fragrance Booster. This is a Sol de Janeiro dupe, but more on that next week. This is an Anthropologie video. If I bring something to you, I want this to be so good. When you bring it home, you love it. With hacks so easy and elegant, literally anybody can do it. Grab one of these little sachets. You can find these in the bridal section. They come in packs of 6. You can put scent beads in this, and I like to scatter these around my house. Try dresser drawers. I even like to put these in the bottom of trash cans, and that way the entire space will smell nice and fresh. Going on spring break, laundry detergent sheets are awesome. Pack these in your suitcase. They're activated by water. I also love dryer sheets to put in dresser drawers.
Be on the lookout in the candle section. Not only do they have Anthropologie candle dupes, they also have Anthropologie candle stick dupes. These are awesome, and you can grab this candle holder with a base and this top. Let's check out this easy trick.
Let's go elegant, and I only want these items to be found at Dollar Tree. I adore their matches. Their penny matches are still $1.25. They are some of my favorite. A Dollar Tree glass bottle and these 2 candle holders are the perfect cloche. I took off the stand and I put the larger fluted candle holder on top. Then I took off this little glass knob. I took some super glue and some hot glue for instant and long-term hold and added the knob to the top. Then I took a box of these matches, cut the strike plate off, and hot glued this to the side of the cloche. I've seen a lot of these DIYs with long stem matches, but I think these look just as adorable with some of the shorter ones. I've done a few iterations of this on my channel, but I like that this one is entirely made of glass. There's no plastic. A bow helped conceal the glue, and it gave a sweet touch. I put some rub and buff on the candlestick so it could have a pedestal. I adore how this turned out. It would make a great gift idea. I really like when Dollar Tree DIYs are of true quality. And speaking of true quality, you have seen Anthropologie's glass knobs, right? They're $16 for 2. And Dollar Tree, yes, this spring, they bring them back every year, has glass knobs in stock. Check your local stores. These are some of my favorites. I use them all over my house. I change out just basic knobs so that way I can have something that's unique and a little bit different. This is very Anthro on a Dollar Tree budget.
These are a Ballard Design dupe. I don't even know how much they are in Ballard Designs. They're on clearance right now, but the clearance to me doesn't even matter. This one is gorgeous. They're just $5, and the smaller one is $3.
I can't tell the difference between this and the expensive version. You deserve to bring beautiful and affordable things into your home. Like WildGrain, today's amazing sponsor.
Huge thank you to WildGrain for sponsoring today's video. WildGrain's delicious baked goods, from sourdough bread to croissants to cookies, come frozen to you, and they go from frozen to freshly baked right in your home, everything in less than 25 minutes. Today I am making some croissants and some chocolate croissants. These are my kids' favorites. Their butter is also absolutely delicious, and their sourdough bread is a family favorite. Unlike many store-bought options, WildGrain uses simple ingredients you can pronounce and a slow fermentation process that can be easier on your belly and richer in nutrients and antioxidants. WildGrain consistently adds seasonal products and new products, so there's always something fresh to try. I just love having these in my freezer so things are on hand and ready to go for dinner or snack time. My favorite part though is with every box ordered, WildGrain donates 2 meals to a food scarcity nonprofit of your choice at no extra cost. I think that is pretty awesome. You like a deal, and so do I. Visit wildgrain.com/onadime to get $30 off of your first box plus free croissants for life. They're awesome.
One of my favorite things in my kitchen, just trust. I love to save a dime and some time, you know what I mean? Dollar Tree also got for the kitchen these beautiful glasses. Now these are by the brand Gibson Home. It was shocking to me to see this name brand in store because Target sells the exact same item right now. That's 50% off the sale price by getting them at Dollar Tree.
They come in this one, and they also come in a tall. What do you think?
Always the insider secrets you'll find on Do It on a Dime.
Is this not so anthro?
And honestly, I think some of my favorite tricks are yet to come.
In the stationery section, there are 3 near direct Anthropologie dupes. They have this really pretty tape dispenser. Look at how similar this looks to the Anthropologie version. I also really love the desktop organizers, the pencil organizers. These are awesome. They'll look for less.
The Jot line is still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This acrylic tape dispenser is the Anthro version. It's $22, and the Dollar Tree version even has the gold front. All that cool acrylic stuff you can find in the office section. This is an acrylic weekly planner for $1.25. I love it for your home command center. Also consider using pencil organizers. These are little 2-packs. Put them in a row. You can put flowers in this. This is really giving those Anthropologie vibes, but you can do it all from Dollar Tree.
You can grab some canvas art. You remember in a previous video, I put Mod Podge on the top of these, and that way these look like real oil on canvas.
It works best if you follow the brush strokes of the painter, and this is going to dry clear, and it's going to look like it was actually painted.
And I have a trick, my friend, for all of these frames to make them not look plastic and look actually high end. Check this out.
Honey, if you don't yet have antiquing wax in your home, get some. All you do is paint this on any plastic gold. Then you're going to wipe it away with a paper towel, and it's going to give it a patina aged effect. So something that's plastic looks truly real. After I painted this canvas, I cut it out, and then I could set it inside the frame. This looks like a vintage antique frame with real oil on canvas art. I love how this turned out. And that extra frame, you know what I did? I took it down and I put it over my thermostat. So cool on a budget. And while you're in Dollar Tree, don't forget peel and stick wallpaper. Grab 1 sheet of peel and stick wallpaper and 1 canvas art you really like. Also pick up one of these wooden boxes, some magnets, and some magnetic hooks. I bet you weren't expecting this. Grab some shadow box frames. I got these from IKEA, and remove the hinges from your mini box. Stack empty shadow box frames on top of each other and connect with the hinges and the clasp. I love reusing the clasps like this because now we have a mini organizing box. Wait till you see what I do with it. Here's the Dollar Tree canvas art I chose. Cut it down to put it on your top frame. Then take your peel and stick wallpaper and apply it to the kickstand of the back frame. This is going to go in our second box. Now grab your Dollar Tree magnets and magnetic hooks, and you're going to put a magnet on the outside of the box and the hook on the inside. This works really well for organizing your keys or any small objects. I love hidden storage like this that's really easy to get to, but it's also elegant. If you haven't made a thermostat cover yet, y'all need to make one. And these little mirrors, this is so anthro to me in style and shape. I absolutely love the vintage vibes, perfect on a vanity or just with your normal decor or even in a gallery wall.
I have high standards. Like everything that I share with you, I want it to work and I want it to be awesome. I love that I'm describing my high standards while I show you this. Not only is the packaging really good on this, this is lemon, bergamot, and lemongrass scent. This is awesome to keep in your purse. This is such like something you would totally see at Anthropologie when you walked in. Bonus buy with Kathryn. They also have the moisturizing hand sanitizer back. This is the Touchland dupe, and they have it in the Brazilian caramel scent and the jasmine dragon fruit scent. I was so excited to see these. You know that I love my Brazilian Boom Boom cream. Another bonus buy with Kathryn. This is an ordinary dupe in the beauty section. This is a tinted lip balm. This has almost the same packaging, and this is just $1.25.
If you only have a few dollars to spend, you're looking to save, but you want all of that luxury, you know you've come to the right place. I hope there's a few ideas that you could leave with from this video, and be sure to check out Wild Grain. Get $30 off of your first box, plus free croissants for life. It's one of my favorite services.
A thumbs up always helps me out, and if nobody has told you today, guess what? You, my friend, are enough. I'll catch you soon.